Hey guys, welcome to another session of Draw Along Doodles. Today we're going to be making the snail. So this snail has his shell that his body goes into, but he's also got that ooey gooey kind of squishy body. So here's where we're going to start. We're going to use a pencil today, and then you can go back and fill up your lines with your Sharpie after we get our basic sketch done. So we're going to start coming from the left and swirling around. Now we're going to swirl bigger, and then we're going to come and stop once you get halfway across on that third row. Now once I have this, I'm going to make the edge of a shell. So I'm going to come curve, wave, curve, touch. So curve, wave, curve, touch. All right, now the next part is figuring out for ourselves what's happening with his head. So he's coming out. We're going to have a slight diagonal, 2 little antenna. So 1 to make a curve and go up to make the second one. Now we're going to come down to the right diagonally and curve around to make the front of his face. He also gets 2 little, I'm not sure if they're feelers or what they are, but they're there. And then we're going to come back wavy a little bit past the back of the shell, and then we're going to let it wave up. Now, a lot of slugs you see and a lot of snails have kind of a different color on the bottom than the top. So I like to come in and give mine that little wave so I can have a place that'll designate where different colors are going to go. I'm also going to go ahead and give it some lines that make the drawing more directional for the shell. Now, you may decide you want to do your shell in a way that's very jubilant or very expressive, and you don't want yours to be as realistic, and that is totally fine. Remember, this is about you getting those basic skills and then adding your own touch to it. So we're going to draw along that line. Then I'm going to go ahead and outline both of my antenna and this antenna. That way I know I won't miss them. Then I can come up to touch the shell, down to touch his tail, Sharpie over his wavy body, and then I'm going to Sharpie this. And I'm going to be kind of light. I'm going to kind of let my line break a little bit. Now, I want to give his shell that kind of influence of being three-dimensional and curved. So I'm going to have these curves, or these parentheses you could call them, going around my shell and getting smaller and smaller. So there we have it. All right, so now it's up to you to erase it and color it the way you'd like to color. I recommend using different colors within your thing, whether you decide it's shades of purple or shades of blue or shades of pink. Figure out something that makes it look more than just flat. All right, guys, it was great to see you. We'll see you next time on Draw Along Doodle.